Yo, what's poppin', guys? What's up? How's it been? So basically today I got the Hyperx pudding keycaps, the double shot PBT. Anyways, they're gonna be hecking dope. Uh, right now I currently have the DUCKY 1-2 mini, and I have these keybinds for them, but we should be able to get it all together. So usually you want one of these. Boom. Keycap puller, and we're gonna pull off all the keycaps. So this is gonna be a before and after of the keyboard. This is what it looks like right now. And now we're gonna go ahead and take off all the keys. Actually, first we should probably open up the package. Yeah, I think that'd be sick. Alright, this is what you guys are gonna get inside when you order your keycaps. Boom, that's everything. This is empty. We can toss this. Alright. Alright. Moment of truth. Let's take our buddy right here. Plug him in. Oh my goodness. You guys don't understand how nice it looks. Look at that. Wow. Alright, that's crazy. Yeah, these are definitely worth. Definitely worth. Look at that. It's like the cat meme. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for watching me build this shit. Hecking dope. Alright, bet. Come check me out on twitch.tv/adjmorlin. You know, it's where I'm always grinding, you feel? Alright. Peace.